You know, in the Bible, it says that God looks like me, like my beautiful brown skin. So I'm thinking, wait 1 second. Why doesn't my Santa look like me? Now, we all know that's a problem. Because if God's look like me, my Santa has to look like me, my beautiful brown skin. So we are going to make over Santa today. Shh, tell everybody. This is the Mommy Room Redo segment of My Santa Looks Like Me. Yay! Let's get started. Okay, today's supplies that I will be using to make over Santa is some cling wrap because we don't want Santa to get dirty, so we're gonna wrap him really nicely. And I picked up these brushes from Michaels, so you can pick up these brushes. And I picked up 2 color paints because I'm gonna make him, mold him to look beautiful brown. Not, you know, shelf brown, but my brown. And also in my closet, I thought I had some pink, so I am going to have to take this pink and become a colorist. I have no clue what that is, but I will become one today because, of course, he needs pink cheeks, so I'm going to have to make that pink. I'm also, when I'm done with him, I might put a little Mod Podge on his face just to kind of seal it, and that's pretty much it. I have another Santa that I'm going to be making him over to because, of course, if he's going to be sitting on my shelf, he needs to be beautifully brown like my family. Okay, so I got Santa from the thrift store too, and guess what? He was only $5.99 plus a military discount of 10% off. I'm lucky. All right, so we don't want Santa to get, you know, his clothes to get messed up, so I'm gonna quickly wrap him so that, you know, it doesn't get all over Santa. You know, I'm gonna cling wrap him really nicely. I don't want Santa to get dirty. We want Santa. Now everyone has some cling wrap in their house, so that's why I chose cling wrap. I was going to use tape, but I'll do his hands later, and then I'll cling wrap his hand. Take his hands from underneath the cling wrap. So see, Santa is getting all prepared for makeup. So this might be a little tricky with the hair, but cling wrap sticks to anything. I finally learned how to use cling wrap. For years I couldn't get this stuff to stick, but I was like, you know, cling, you and I are gonna be friends. So there we go. We clinging Santa up. We're gonna tie Santa up in the back of his head like a do-rag. You know the kind we use to keep our waves in check. Well, am I honestly telling my age? Alright, so then I'm probably going to take Santa. I might look for some tape to tape it back a little bit. Just so I can make sure Santa beard does not get messed up. Alright, so I'm probably going to go and look for some tape.
Hey sis! We know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now.
Alright, so I found some Scotch tape. And you and I know that if it ain't Scotch tape, it ain't tape. So I found some Scotch tape, and I'm going to tape his face right here. Because again, I don't want I don't want to mess up my Santa's hair, because that would be hard to get out. There we go. Alright, I think Santa is quite ready for his redo. I know the Santa is ready, but we're going to start with the little Santa because he's just a little easier. And again, I got him for $2.99 from the thrift store at 10% off. Now he's a little easier. I don't have to go through the whole process of taping him up. Okay, so I got some water and some paint, and I'm just gonna take the paint and mix it to figure out what color, what skin color I want. And I decided to get some, so I'm gonna mix these 2 paints up because I want him to be brown. I don't want him to be mocha chocolate. Although mocha chocolate is beautiful. So I'm mixing up 2 paints. Oh my gosh, it's taking a long time to mix these. So I want him to be like a Hershey chocolate color. Well, not totally Hershey. I can't even say it right. All right. So I believe I have my color brown. So, you know, I'm gonna do a color test on me. He needs to be a little browner than that. So, because remember I said my Santa looks like me. So I'm gonna stir some more brown up in here. And I just realized I didn't bring any paper towels, and I'm going to need some for the cleanup. All right, I think I'm liking this brown color right here. So I basically took 2 colors. I took 2 colors. One is, it doesn't even have the color up here. Oh, burnt umber. The other one is fawn. So I mixed 2 colors of brown to get the color that I want. And I might have to tweak it a little later, but I'm gonna try and paint Santa now. Oh my gosh, Santa is already pretty. Look already. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be pretty amazing. So I have to be careful because I don't want to paint over top of the white part. These little brushes come in handy because they're very small, and I can paint Santa. Ooh, I can go to town on Santa. Yeah, Santa needs to be chocolate. Like, why am I having fun painting Santa? You know, it's like putting on makeup. He's coming along beautifully. Oh my gosh. I'm loving my Santa. So if you make a mess, you know, hand sanitizer, I know it's COVID, but that hand sanitizer worked for everything. It will clean a stain out of everything. So I'm just gonna dab a little hand sanitizer on Santa wherever I made a mistake, and it'll be cleaned up in 2 seconds. Just put it on your paintbrush. Don't freak out. We got this. We got our Santa. Woo! Is my Santa gorgeous or what? Yes, he is. Oh my gosh. Okay, he's coming along, guys. So in our community, it's important that we have people look like us. You know, I used to tell people, you know, ain't no fat man coming down my chimney. I ain't got a chimney. So, you know, the reality is, you know, I gotta paint myself into this world. If the world won't paint me in it, listen, I can paint myself. Just like you can paint yourself. Paint Santa. Paint your Santa. Ooh, my Santa is beautiful. Oh, I just realized my Santa also need to have brown lips. You know, Santa ain't got no white lips. No black Santa got no white lips. Look at my Santa. He's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm over here painting Santa. I mean, the reason why I wanted to show you how to paint Santa, so I want you to know this is my first time painting Santa. And I never had a Santa in my house because, you know, I didn't want Santa not to look like my kids. And I didn't want them to believe the story that, you know, this guy is coming down the chimney giving them some gifts. Listen, I worked too hard for that. I worked too hard for that fairy tale. Santa is gorgeous. Look at my Santa. Let me show the camera a little closer so that you can see what my Santa looks like now. Isn't he gorgeous? My Santa can sit on my chimney now because he looks like me. Isn't he? Oh my God, my Santa looks like me. Hey moms, I just gotta do a shout out to Dee Davis Edwards, a Mommy Room Redo member who just totally knocked it out the park. I mean, she inspired me to look for a Santa and paint him brown. I have never had a Santa on my mantle. I've never had a Santa at all because there was never a Santa that looked like me. So I just want to say thanks to Dee because she gave us all the steps that we needed to make sure our Santa is beautiful just like hers. I mean, you guys, I really hope you get you some paint and paint your Santa beautifully brown. Thanks, Dee.
Hey, good people, it's time for our question of the day. Have you ever transformed a Christmas character to look like you? If the answer is yes, post those pics on the Mommy Room Redo Facebook page.
So, my Santa is where he should be on my mantle and painted beautifully brown like me and my family. So while you're out, if you run into any Santa Clauses, just do like I did. Paint him beautifully brown. So that's your tip for today. That's your hack for today. If you have any questions, share, like, and subscribe to us.